Good day, Divergence traders. How we doing today? Just took a little sip of water. Okay. Let's check out the NASDAQ first, like always. You see what they did here? They come up to this line. Let's go to the 1 hour. I drew it in the wrong place. This line here is supposed to be right here. Anyway, I guess I forgot this line here, unless there's something else I was looking at. Was there? No, there wasn't. Anyway, they brought price up to it and sold off of it. That's what they did. Anyway, let's go to the 5 minute. Now, was there a divergence setup right here? Oh, you betcha there was. This is the first time I'm looking at the NASDAQ today. I was trading the Dow, and I did okay. I did okay today. You see, I'm gonna try and trade the Dow now because it has more follow through, as where the NASDAQ, it's just crazy. It's like a cat. It's like a brand new kitten jumping up and down, clawing the furniture, clawing your face. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's got the name Nasty. Not NASDAQ, Nasty. It's a nasty thing to trade. Very nasty. So anyway, there is the trade here. Hold on. Right here. Okay. There's the divergence. This is the open. So the entry for me would be right here. Yes, way up there. After it rallied up 661 points. So would have got long there. Okay. Right on the opening of that. And up we go. 80 points, basically. I'm sure there's some trades on the 1 minute. Oh, yeah, I got to show you the 1 minute. Yes. Let me unlock the auto scroll. Lots of signals today. Wow. So, what do we have up here? Oh, you know what we have. Is it perfect? No. Does it have to be? No. Because nobody's fucking perfect. Okay? It can miss it by a few little tickies. Little tickers? It can miss it. Yeah. For sure. Let's see. Where does that line up from? I think it's something like this. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. See? You can even draw it from the true one I need to draw it from. Okay. Right there. That's it. That's it. That's all. So you would have sold right there, right at that white line, which I drew wrong. Let me just put it where it's supposed to go. Hold on. Gotta go. Oh no. It's supposed to be at this high. I was sure I drew them in right. What the hell happened? There. From the high and the low of Friday, right here. Okay? Okay, back to here. Got to get this to come back. Okay. So you would have sold it right here. Okay? At exactly 16.59 on the close, you would have sold it. Your stop was 26 points. Did you get the 26 points? Oh, yeah, you did right there. Then, yeah, there's no divergence here. I thought there was. Anyway, remember I told you about the candle closing up above the moving averages? And then they sell it off and they have what I call a smackdown candle. This is the smackdown candle, which closed at the low of the candle, which is a good sign, and closed below the 2 moving averages, another good sign. And my setup for this is to sell right here on the opening of this candle, right here. Okay? You got to realize that all my entries, jeez, the chart's jumping around like the cat. You got to realize that all my entries are on the close of a candle. Have you ever heard this saying? It's not how the market opens, it's how it closes that determines the near-term trend. You ever heard that saying? Well, it's very true. I used to do end of day trading, and that was my saying on my website back then. But anyway, what was I gonna say here? So yeah, here would have been the entry, and it went down like big time far. 100 went down 100 points down here, and of course there's another trade signal here. Okay, three amigos, 1, 2, 3, and then up we go. You know the three amigos. That's Emilio and I don't know any other Spanish names. Santo and Casa. I don't know. Three amigos. 1, 2, 3 amigos. You would have got along right there. Yes. I think amigo means friend, in Spanish? I'm not sure. I don't speak Spanish. I know a few words. Essay. I think that means sorry ass. Essay. Hey, essay. I don't know. All that I know is I've been to California a couple times. Oh my God. The beautiful Spanish women there. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. Crazy beautiful, man. Crazy beautiful. Anyway, it went up 55 points there. There's a setup right here too. See, it's all on the 1 minute. It's all on the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Oh, my big toe's throbbing. Got some pain in my big toe. It means it's healing up. Okay. There's the setups on the NASDAQ on the 1 minute. Okay. There they are. Gotta love them. Double top. Definitely, this double top here tipped its hat at you, as they say, and said, hey, we're going to go down. We're going to go down. Yes, indeed. Okay. That is that. Okay. Let's go now to the S and the P. Did it have? No. There's no divergence here to do this buy up here. Well, that sucks. S&P. But if we go to the 1 minute, I'm just going to show you the trade at the top on the 1 minute. See? Oh, keeps. Okay. I think I marked this one properly. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, see? I marked this one properly. Here's the top of Friday, and here's the low of Friday. And look what they did. They took the price exactly to the high of Friday and sold it off. You tell me that's not a coincidence. Can you see the power in marking the high and low of the previous day? Yeah, man. You need to do this every day before or at the end of the day. After they put in the high and the low, you need to go and mark it for your next trading day. That's all you have to do. Yeah, it's up to you. But that's all you need to do. Okay. Was there a trade down here to go all the way up? Yeah, you could tweak it and say, yeah, from here to here, here to here. Yeah, anyway. Here is the high, the retracement, and the higher high. Not only did this divergence tell you to sell it, but so did this white line here tell you to sell it, because they rejected the high of Friday and down it came. Okay? All right. Let's draw this up. Okay, so high and higher high. And right here. And the entry was right there to the downside. Right there. Easy as peasy can be. Sell it right here. Stop was small. This is the S and the P. It was like 4-point stop, 5-point stop. There's 5-point stop. You could put it above R1. I think it was R1. No, it was R2. Here's R1 here. It was R2, D2. Yes. Star Wars. Okay. 5-point stop, and it went down 8. So you would have got your 1-to-1 right there in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You would have cashed in your trade, and you could leave and go home for the day. That's it. I'm just kidding. You probably already are at home. Yeah, and there's no hidden divergence here. Huh. Well, that's funny. Anyways, and then it went down here, low and lower low, divergence here, buy it here, up it goes. Now look it up here, high and higher high. See right here. I'll just put it on here to show you that it was divergent. See that? It was divergent, man. And you would have sold it here, and down it goes. And now who knows where it's going? Okay. So now we're going to look at the Dow, okay? Oh, she's going back up now. That's choppy. On the 5-minute, it's choppy. It's even choppy a bit on the 1-minute. So anyway, I want to show you the 2 trades I done. Here we go. 1-minute time frame, okay? Here they are. So, you see this double top here? I'm telling you, man, it tells you stories. Hold on, let's see here. Hold on, let me go to the 30. Okay, the high was way up here. I bet you it's on its way to this white line. The high of Friday. Oh, I bet you. I bet you. All right, let's go back to the 1-minute. Turn on the auto scroll. Turn it off. And go back here. Right there. So there's the double top right here, or you could say higher high. I call it a double top. And we had price crossing down below the moving averages, and the 5 crossed down below the 7. There was the entry right there. And we got how many points on this one? 37. And then we had the retracement. Hold on, what was the stop? Pretty sure it was, yeah, it was 33. Got out, I closed it manually, okay? Right there, 37 points. Then it came back up and I go, oh, look at this. Oh yeah, see the blue little mountain peak and this? Yeah, and this, see? That's hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. This was my good trade right here. So I did this trade. The price smacked down underneath the moving averages. The 5 crossed down, got in short right there as quick as I could on the open of, see, we're always getting in, 17.12 at exactly 12 minutes after 10, I shorted it. On this trade, it was 16:59, 1 minute before 10 o'clock. Okay, I start my time to trade, this gray here, at 10 o'clock now because I don't want to get chopped up in the fucking open of the stock market. So anyway, I got in this trade and made 55 points on this one. So 55 and 37 55, 65, 75, I don't know, around 80 points I got today. So it is my goal now to trade the Dow, and because it has follow through, where the NASDAQ or the S&P can chop up and down like a crazy, like crazy. So anyway, let's keep going with this here. Look at that. Wow. See how they have follow through though? Look, right here to right here. 81 points. And then see, right back down again. 92 points. See, and then right up, back up again. See, 100 points. This is what you need. You need to get a good setup, get in the trade, and it'll run for you, man. Like as if you're in a marathon. But when you go and trade that other stuff, it doesn't run. It doesn't have any follow through. And another thing, another point I want to make across to you traders. Oh God, I just forgot what I was gonna say. I'm so sorry. What was I gonna say? Oh, the Dow is the most divergent, friendly one out of the three. Okay, we got the NASDAQ, we got the S&P, and we got the Dow. The Dow, if you're going to trade divergence, the Dow is the one. Okay, so let me just show you all the trades on here. I knew this long time, and I don't know why I want to trade that damn nasty, but I'm done with it. I'm fucking done with it. I am so done with it. So done. I was done 10 years ago. I know why I keep going back to it, because there'll be slow days and it won't go, and then I'll go, well, there's no trade here. And then I'll go slumming in the NASDAQ because it moves, right? It freaking moves. Oh, it moves all right. But anyway, that's why. But this time I'm going to stay away from it, and that's it. Unless the Dow, turns into a dud and turns into a dud and does not move anymore with any follow through. Yeah. Okay. We have a trade here. Oh, I forgot the arrow. Okay, I'll stop babbling on here and we'll just get on with this. But I wanted to say that to you. Actually, there's another thing I wanted to cover about limit orders. But I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. I don't want to take too much of your time. It's like 20 to 12. Okay, so the stop was 28 points, let's say. You would have got it right here. You would have got it there. And then there was one more trade right here. From here to here. See that beautiful thing? This was a beautiful trade. I wish I was still trading, but I didn't. I stopped. I already won like shit. I won like almost 80 points or something. It's like, let it go. You did well, man. You're a rock star. I was a rock star trader today, right? So I didn't trade anymore, and I was talking to a trader friend from the Bahamas. Okay, so we would have got long here. Stop would be 44. Yes, they're bigger stops. 44. Did we get 44? Yeah, we got 56. Look at that. And even up here, you can see there was topping action, right? Just like there was bottoming action here. You see that? Woo, 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 woo. See this? Woo, 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 woo. See those wicks? They're telling you a story. There's another trade here, but it's right here. Ah, fuck you. Fucking line. Come on, man. There. There it is. Yeah, it's right from here. Right from the top of the mountain peak. The top of Mount Everest. See, right there. Lines up to the bottom of Mount Everest over here. See? Lines up. Was it a winter chicken dinner? Oh, you bet you it was, Skippy. You betcha. Sell it right here. Stop right here, like only 20 points. And look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. 80 points down, man. Now that's follow through, baby. Oh, yeah. If this was just a bit lower or this was just a bit higher, there's hard to see divergence again from here to here. But they're level, so there's not. But when the 5 crossed up above the 7, you could have bought right here. And you had the potential of 60 points. Gotta love that Dow, man. Woo, it has follow through. Fucking awesome, man. Fucking awesome. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's move on, ladies and gent. Oh, no, that was, okay. I gotta go back here to the demo. That's the live. I gotta go back to the demo. There's the demo. Okay, so we already covered the US 30. Now we're gonna look at the pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar not too good today. Right here, there's a double bottom, and of course it went up. Oh, pain in my toe, throbbing. Went up 32 points, and then it went into a sideways shit show. That's what it did. There's a trade right here, but it didn't go anywhere. 12 pip stop. Only went down 7 points, pips. Look at this. There's trades, but it's all shit. It's all shit. See how I told you? See, they had their fun with the NASDAQ on Friday and fucked everybody. Lots of people. Me included, as you know. You could tell how mad I was on Friday. And I've seen that so many times before in the past. They used to do that before, like I don't know how many years ago, 5 years ago, maybe 7 years ago. They used to do that 1 or 2 times a week. They would do that up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and not go anywhere. Like what happened on Friday. Yeah. And I don't know. I used to trade it and get killed. Now for sure I'm done with it. I'll show it to you on here. I'll show you the NASDAQ on this charts. But I ain't touching it. Anyway, there's a trade here, but it's bad. Here's a bad trade right here. Sell it, and it didn't go. Okay. Then we have another trade here. Let's see if we hit the target with this one. So we got a high and a higher high to the wicks. Okay. And we got a little mountain right there. So we would have sold it right there. Stop was 15 pips. Did we get 15 pips? Oh, wow, we got it. We got 16.4. Oh, my goodness. We got it by the skin of our frickin' teeth. See how important it is to go for a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio? And how many times I've told you all about that? If you're going to trade this divergence setup here that I have, that's what your target needs to be. It's not like, oh, look, it just dropped all the way down here. 30 pips. It's going to keep going. Oh, and you hold on to your hopes and dreams. Yeah, and it turns around, and if you moved your stop to break even, you get stopped out for break even. I don't know about you, but I'd rather take the 1-to-1 profit instead of break even. Right? Right. Let's move on. Euro, same shit here. Well, if you put it on the 15-minute, it told you, don't sell. See, didn't cross. Bullish. Oh, now I'm getting a pain in my eyeball. Holy fuck, I'm in bad shape. Oh my God. Fuck. See, I have this cold right now, really weird cold. I felt perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden my left nostril started running. And as I've told you, I had the 3 strokes, so the whole left side of my head and my face is numb. And my fingers on my left hand are numb. So anyway, this cold, it was really weird. My nose started running like Niagara Falls. And it's like, it's weird. It's like I blow my nose and get all this liquid out. and then it's like if I take a drink of water, it's like it's already like working, trying to get rid of the water. So I could feel it like coming out of my eyeball and my nose. My left nostril, it's coming out, and my left eye, it was coming. Water was pouring out because you know how your nose, uh, it's all your sinuses are all hooked up to your eyeballs and your ears and and your mouth and your throat. Yeah, it's crazy. So no selling. Sorry about that analyzation of my cold, but it's just weird. We had the same trade here, high and higher high with the wicks, but it didn't really go anywhere. It doesn't even look like it hit the target. But the trades that you really want to trade are buying here and buying the dips, which was, I don't know if there was diversion. Let's just move on. Pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. See, no divergence there because this bottom is bigger than this one. No divergence there. But there was divergence here to sell it if you wanted to do counter trend. But look what happened. It didn't go anywhere. See? So you're better off buying it. Buying the dip. Right here. Okay? So you would have bought it. Totally not with it today. I'm all like, went through this wicked cold. It didn't last long though. I still have it, but it looks like it's going away. And it only started like I started to get better in like one day. Usually it takes a week or 2 weeks to get rid of, depending how bad it is. So if you would have bought it here, stop would have been 12 pips. Went up 27 pips. So you would have got your 2-to-1. Now up here, if you really wanted to, yeah, it's good enough. It's a double top to me, Is it perfect? No. Of course not. Nothing's perfect in this world. I don't know where you would have jumped in, but somewhere here or here, I don't know. Even if you waited till this candle closed, our signal candle, okay? Your stop would be 60 points. Did it go down 60? No. Went down 35. Anyway, once it started doing this crap here, you would have made some money. You would have made some money, ladies and gentlemen. It went to 181 there. You would have made money. Euro yen? Let's see what the euro yen. Oh, euro yen is more clear to see. Let's see here. Look at that. There's divergence right there. Beautiful trade in the UK session. If I sound a little different, I don't have my fan on. I usually have a fan, moving the air around, right? Because I live in an apartment, so I don't have it on because I'll get this chill and I'll start sneezing and my nose will start pouring out like Niagara Falls again. So I might sound a little bit clearer today. I also turn up the volume on Camtasia. So hopefully the video will be better today and louder. I don't know. Maybe it won't. Okay. Stop is 14 points, or pips. It's the EJ. Went up 60 to there. Then we have another trade setup right there. Right? Isn't this crazy? Like, anybody who's been watching my channel now for even just a month, don't you think it's crazy how there's all these setups and most of them are winners? It's Don't you think it's crazy? Like, I sure hope you've picked up, your copy of the course, but that's up to you. Okay. Not that I'm trying to push it on you. I'm telling you, it'll be the best money you have ever spent on traders' education in your whole trading life. I am not lying to you. It's good, man. It's good shit. You know what I'm saying? So you would have got long right in here somewhere. Say we got in right there at resistance, eh? How much did it go up? It went up 50 pips. 50 pips, man. Okay. Trade success number 2. Let's do number 3. There's number 3. Same thing. Where would have you jumped in? What time was that? Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Was there news today at 10 o'clock? I didn't even look at the damn news. I didn't go to Forex Factory and look. Okay. Somewhere in here, you would have got in. You would have made money. Whether you sold it here or here, you would have made money. That's all there is to it. Okay, now let's take a look at oil. Crude oil. What do we have here? We have hidden divergence. That's what we got. Let's see, what do we got over here? Oh, low and lower low. Yeah. There was divergence to buy right here. There was divergence double top right here to sell right here. So there was a winner right here of 36 ticks. There was also a winner right here of 65 ticks. There's also hidden divergence, which I'm going to show you. I can't show you all those trades, but it's just, I'd be here all day, okay? But let me show you this one, the main one of the day, okay? So, right here. Showing it from here. Doesn't matter where. Showing it from right there. Showing it from a higher mountain peak downward. This one's going down. And this one's going down like this. They're diverging. No, this one's going up. This one's going up. This one's going down. Jason, wake up. What are you trying to teach people the wrong shit? No. It's divergent, ladies and gentlemen, to the downside. Where you go and pick up all the orders. The sell side liquidity. Yeah, something like that. Which could very well be true. This is an algorithm running. Right, Michael? If you're listening, my good friend. Never met you, but I think you're a good friend. But anyway, I believe what he's saying, that there's an algorithm, that's for sure, because I've known for such a long time something's manipulating here. Something's controlling this. It was just so much suspicion. And when you see a move of exactly 100 pips over and over and over again, you say, what the F is going on here? Yeah. So that's how I knew. And also how they put the, if you trade the euro dollar, okay, euro's going up, go look at the DX or whatever the hell it's called, US dollar, it's going down. Yeah, if the euro's going down, go look at the DX. DX is going up. It's rigged together. So both of them cannot collapse at the same time and start World War III. That's what it was. And the other thing they really totally identical opposite was the Swiss franc and the euro dollar. Yeah. Crazy times in Forex, but they all of a sudden one day they stopped doing the opposite. It was crazy. You went, holy fuck, what's going on? Swissy's going up, and so is the euro dollar. What's going on here? Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy days. Okay, so this is oil, and we would have sold it right here. Our stop would have been 52 points. How much did it go down? 150, $1.50. We're now at 83.41 a barrel. Okay, let's move on now. What's this one? Oh, for my friend Fook. Here we go. Let's take a look at gold, man. Let's check it out. What do we got here? Oh, we got some wild action. Okay, let me show you the trades, ladies and gents. There's two of them that I see right now. We have a low retracement, lower low, right? There's a divergent. Divergence, I meant to say. See what it got long right there, right here. Your stop is always at the closest swing low right there. And that's another crazy thing about this divergence. How often does it go back and hit your stop, ladies and gentlemen? How often? Not very often. And all these other trading strategies, how many times does it go back and hit your stop? Probably 7 times out of 10, or at least 6. Not with divergence. 53 points, ticks, pips. It went up and your stop was only 20. Okay. Then we had, what did we have up here? Oh, we had one of those hardly ever see double tops. Oh yeah, right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I gotta make it perfect. It just looks so beautiful. It's like a beautiful red-headed lady with blue eyes. Oh, I like the red-headed ladies with the blue eyes. I like the redheads and the blondes and then the brunettes. Okay, let's put this sucker on here, right here. Boom. Where's the trade? Where do we get in the trade? That's all I want to know. When do we start making money? Right here, ladies and gentlemen. So, your stop would have been 41 points. And it went down 63. So you got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. So anyway, I just want to say this is Jason Sweezy. I trade divergence and divergence only because it works. Well, I can't say only. There's my other little scalp setups that I've shown you. Didn't show you any of those today. I'm sure there were some. But anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching and listening carefully. Listening carefully, yes. And I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And a like would be really, really appreciated. Okay? So that's it for today. Good luck and good trading.